What's up, everyone? Welcome to DSV Travel Trip. Today, we're taking you to Phuket, one of the most iconic destinations in Thailand. This island paradise is known for its pristine beaches, vibrant culture, and endless adventures. In this video, we'll explore the best attractions, hidden gems, and must-do activities to make your Phuket trip unforgettable. Stay with us till the end, because we'll also share 3 crucial tips to ensure you have a smooth and enjoyable trip. Let's get started. Phuket is the largest island in Thailand, located in the Andaman Sea near the center of the western coast of the Malay Peninsula. Phuket boasts over 30 beautiful beaches, each with its own charm. If you're into vibrant beach vibes with water sports and parties, Patong Beach is your go-to. It's the heart of activity, perfect for jet skiing or parasailing. Karen Beach is another popular choice, offering a slightly more relaxed atmosphere but still packed with things to do. For those who prefer quieter shores, head to Nai Harn Beach. This gem offers calm waters and fewer crowds, making it a favorite for families and couples. Freedom Beach, accessible only by boat or a steep jungle trail, provides a more secluded experience with crystal clear waters and soft white sand. If you're an adventurer, visit Ao Sain Beach for snorkeling among coral reefs, or Banana Beach, which feels like a secret hideaway. Remember, the best time to enjoy Phuket's beaches is from November to May, when the weather is dry and the seas are calm. Phuket's night markets are a treasure trove of local flavors and vibrant culture. The Sunday Walking Street Market in Phuket Old Town is a must-see, featuring everything from mouth-watering Thai street food to handmade crafts. You can sample delicacies like mango sticky rice, pad thai, or grilled seafood. If you're in Patong, don't miss the Malin Plaza Night Market. It's smaller, but offers a wide variety of affordable local dishes. The Chilva Market, with its trendy shipping container stalls, is a favorite among locals and tourists for its laid-back vibe and quirky items. For those exploring further, the Naka Market is one of the largest and most diverse markets, offering clothes, souvenirs, and a stunning array of street food. No matter where you go, these markets are the perfect place to immerse yourself in the local culture. Phuket Old Town is a cultural and architectural gem. Stroll along Thalang Road and Soi Romani, where the Sino-Portuguese buildings tell stories of Phuket's past. These colorful structures house boutique shops, quaint cafes, and art galleries. The Phuket Trick-Eye Museum is a great spot for interactive fun, featuring 3D artwork that makes for fantastic photos. For history buffs, the Tai Hua Museum delves into the lives of Chinese immigrants who shaped Phuket's identity. The local dining scene here is also incredible. Try authentic Hokkien noodles or dim sum at a traditional eatery, or sip on a refreshing iced coffee at one of the stylish cafes. Allocate at least half a day to soak in the charm of Old Town. Phang Nga Bay is a stunning landscape of emerald waters and limestone karsts. A day trip from Phuket will take you to iconic spots like James Bond Island, named after its appearance in The Man with the Golden Gun. For a more intimate experience, explore the hidden lagoons and caves by kayak at Talu Cave. Visit Koh Phanyi, a floating village where you can enjoy delicious local seafood and learn about the community's unique way of life. Another highlight is the Monkey Cave Temple, home to a golden Buddha and mischievous monkeys. The combination of natural beauty and cultural sites makes this a must-visit destination. The Big Buddha is a symbol of peace and serenity. Standing 45 meters tall, it offers panoramic views of the island from its hilltop location. You can reach it by renting a vehicle, taking a tuk-tuk, or hiking from Quay to Beach for a more adventurous approach. While here, take time to admire the intricate carvings and smaller statues surrounding the main Buddha. The atmosphere is tranquil, and the sound of prayer bells adds to the spiritual experience. Remember to dress modestly and respect the sanctity of this revered site. Wat Chalong, Phuket's largest and most visited temple, is a marvel of Thai Buddhist architecture. The Grand Pagoda is said to house a fragment of Lord Buddha's bone, and its intricate murals depict scenes from his life. Other notable temples include Wat Phra Thong, known for its half-buried golden Buddha statue, and Wat Srasunthorn, where you'll find a massive reclining Buddha. Each temple has its unique charm and provides insight into the island's spiritual heritage. A short boat ride from Phuket will take you to Ratcha and Coral Islands, perfect for day trips. Ratcha Island is a haven for snorkeling and diving, with vibrant marine life and crystal-clear waters. Coral Island offers a more laid-back experience, ideal for sunbathing or enjoying water sports. These islands are less crowded than the Phi Phi Islands, providing a peaceful retreat. Don't forget to bring your snorkeling gear to fully enjoy the underwater beauty. Phuket isn't just about relaxation, it's also a hub for adventure. Zipline through the jungle canopy at Hanuman World, or challenge yourself with an ATV ride through off-road trails. The island's rugged terrain is perfect for hiking, with trails leading to viewpoints like Black Rock and the Windmill. For water enthusiasts, there's no shortage of activities. Take a scuba diving course to explore the Andaman Sea's vibrant reefs, or try surfing at Kedah Beach. The island also offers world-class kite surfing, particularly during the windy season from June to September. Promthep Cape is Phuket's most famous sunset viewpoint, drawing visitors from all over. The panoramic views of the Andaman Sea are breathtaking, especially during the golden hour. If you prefer a quieter setting, visit Layam Singh Viewpoint or enjoy a drink at After Beach Bar overlooking Kedah Noi B. Further afield, the Similan Islands are a top destination for diving enthusiasts. These islands are part of a national park and boast some of the clearest waters in Thailand. A day trip from Phuket will allow you to experience the stunning coral reefs and marine biodiversity. The journey may be longer, but the reward is well worth it. Nestled within Khao Phra Theo National Park, Bang Pei Waterfall is a serene retreat ideal for nature enthusiasts. It's not just a picturesque spot, but also home to the Gibbon Rehabilitation Project, where rescued gibbons are cared for and gradually reintroduced into the wild. A visit here combines natural beauty with a meaningful cause, making it a must-visit for eco-conscious travelers. Don't forget to wear sturdy shoes for the short hike to the waterfall. For a truly tranquil escape, head to Layan Beach, located on Phuket's northwest coast. This hidden gem remains relatively untouched, offering calm waters perfect for swimming and paddleboarding. Nearby, the Layan National Park adds a touch of adventure with lush mangroves to explore. Pack a picnic or visit one of the nearby local restaurants for an authentic Thai meal. A trip to the Phuket Elephant Sanctuary offers an ethical way to interact with these majestic creatures. Unlike traditional elephant rides, this sanctuary focuses on the well-being of rescued elephants, allowing visitors to feed, bathe, and observe them in a natural habitat. It's an unforgettable experience that also supports animal welfare. Cape Panwa, located on the southeastern tip of the island, offers a more peaceful experience away from the crowds. Here, you'll find the Phuket Aquarium, which showcases a variety of marine life from the Andaman Sea. The aquarium is a fantastic spot for families and provides educational insights into Thailand's aquatic ecosystems. Tips for an amazing Phuket trip: see who's your base. Wisely, stay on the island's west coast if you plan to explore beaches and attractions. Phuket Town, while charming, is less convenient for beach lovers. Beware of traffic. Phuket's roads can be congested, especially during peak hours. Consider renting a scooter for easier navigation, but drive carefully and wear a helmet. Plan for crowds. Phuket is a popular destination, so expect busy spots, especially during high season. For a quieter experience, explore the smaller surrounding islands. Phuket truly offers something for everyone, from its stunning beaches and cultural landmarks to thrilling adventures and serene escapes. We hope this guide helps you plan the trip of a lifetime. Don't forget to check the description below for links to tours, travel tips, and our interactive trip planner. Let us know in the comments which attractions you're most excited to visit, and we'll see you in the next adventure.